If I had to start an agency in 2026 with zero money, no audience, no clients, and no fancy tools, this is exactly how I would do it. Not theory, not some guru framework. This is the simplest, lowest risk way I know to go from $0 to your first clients. And even if you're a student, working a job, or completely broke. My name is Attila Mészáros. You can check out my LinkedIn. I have more than 4,000 followers and I have generated more than $1 million in revenue for companies, and I have delivered just this year more than 1,000 custom exclusive codes for construction companies. So, it involves cold calling, but probably not the way you think. If you want Lambos in 30 days, click off now. But if you want something that actually works, let me break it down for you step by step. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is this. They overcomplicate everything. They buy tools they don't need. They build websites nobody sees. They wait for the perfect moment. They wait for the perfect moment. In 2026, if you don't have capital, your biggest asset is action, not ideas. So the first step is cost near to zero. So here is what I would do first. I would cut my cost to almost zero. No paid software stack, no fancy subscriptions, no agency office fantasy. I would use GoHighLevel, start with free trial, and that's it. I'm basically using this for my whole agency. You can build out snapshots here and you can sell the same systems to every single business. So you just have to work on your outbound, not on your systems every time if you niche down. So yeah, I would use GoHighLevel. And why? Because with one tool I can build websites, handle hosting, automate follow-ups, book appointments, and scale later without switching systems. This is the most important part. At the beginning, simplicity wins. I see a lot of people struggle with overthinking and not starting because there are a lot of features. You just have to pick one working system, one feature. You just have to be really great at it and stick with it, not to think that you need to sell 5 different features and you have to understand every part of the software. The second part is the offer. Then I would create a very simple offer. I would call local businesses and say, hey, I have built a website for your business. No setup fee, no upfront cost, and you only pay $100 per month for hosting. That's it. Low risk for them and an easy yes. And if they want extra features like booking systems, automations, CRM, follow-ups, that's $295 per month. Same system, same tool, just more value. This works because you are not selling marketing dreams, you are selling something tangible. The first step is the cold calling reality. Let's talk about the part everyone avoids, cold calling. Here is what I would do. 3 to 4 hours per day, around 100 calls, and that's it. The goal is not to close on the phone. The goal is to book meetings. If you do it consistently, you can realistically book 1 to 2 meetings per day. And that's all you need in the beginning. And actually, if you comment down below this video, I will give you my cold calling spreadsheets and you can easily track your metrics here. You can write here the business name, the owner name, the gatekeeper name, the phone, email, when did you engage with them, when you have to call back, and you can even make notes here. As you can see, you can make different colors for it, so it is very easy to track from Monday to Sunday, and you can check booked and not interested. And I even have a cold call calculator where you can check out what is the monthly growth goal, what's your activity goal, how much each client is paying you, what's your appointment booking rate, what's your close rate, what's your show up appointments needed this month, what's your show up rate, what's the value of each showed appointment. You can basically write out that what is your goal for the month with cold calling. And there are different months that is automated. So if you write these numbers here, how many dials have you made, how many pickups have they did, how many DMs have you reached. It will calculate in the metrics tab, and this is for the whole year. All you need to do to get these resources, to comment down below in this video your Instagram name, and I will send you over on Instagram this file. You can even see these metrics through the charts here. So breaking down the math, if you book 1 or 2 meetings per day, but let's go with 1, that is roughly 12 meetings per month. Assuming a 60% show-up rate, if you close only 1 out of every 4 person, that's 3 new clients per month. 3. Do that consistently, month after month, and suddenly you are not trying an agency anymore, you are running one. So basically, people like to overcomplicate things, and that is how easy it is for you to make your first clients and close them, because you just have to do it day after day, day after day, and endure the negative interactions with the people, because out of 100 people, 95 are going to tell you to fuck off, and 2 are going to tell you send me an email, and the other 2 are going to tell you that you should book a meeting, and maybe out of 100 or 200 people you will get 1 or 2 new clients if you are good. So yeah, I have basically built out my whole agency based on cold calling from the beginning, and it worked for me really well. I have used cold emails too, but this method has scaled my agency, and I have gotten a lot of clients and meetings, also in person and also online for cold calling. So the fifth step is upsell and scale. Once someone is a client, everything gets easier. Now you can upsell them Facebook ads. You can upsell them Facebook ads for like $2,000 per month if you are working with someone high ticket, and they will trust you more. They see that you have an active system. If you set this system up for their phone, the GoHighLevel application, they will be more sticky because they see the real notifications when a new lead is coming in, when they are getting a new review, and they will stick through it. And even if you drive more traffic to it with Facebook ads, it will be really great. I promise you. I actually have clients who are paying me for more than a year with the whole system and Facebook ads and lead nurturing. And you can upsell them also automation, reputation management, CRM setups, and you already have trust. You already have the results, and that is how over a few months you can realistically grow to $10,000 per month. Not overnight, not magically, but predictably. But think about it, when we are talking about I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, a lawyer, or anybody who goes to the university, how many years does it take for you to succeed in those fields? When we think about this online business, we want instant results, and I want to be a millionaire in 3 months, and you have to realize that with predictable systems, you can actually scale your agency long term. But this is not going to happen overnight. But if you stick through it, I promise you, it is a really great method and really cheap to cold call people. So that is the real secret. It isn't GoHighLevel, it isn't cold calling, it isn't websites. It's this: take action, fail fast, and learn as you go. I have a very favorite quote from Steve Jobs that he's saying, you cannot connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So even me, I am a little bit more advanced than some people in this space, and even me, sometimes I'm not really sure where I'm going very clearly, but after a while you will figure it out. Just take action and do not procrastinate. Most people fail because they wait until they feel ready. you don't get ready first, you get ready by doing. If you want to see exactly how I set this system up, the websites, automation, snapshots, everything, I've put a free community together. The link is in the description. No pressure, no hype, just the systems. See you there. You can actually check out that I have SMME and SaaS basics here. I have GoHighLevel systems. This is a new mini course that I have just made, how to sell these services to people. I have actually GoHighLevel full course, very, very long and detailed with all the features of the software that you need in order to succeed, how to outreach people, how to close meetings, how to do client retention, also entrepreneur mindset, why it is really important. Yeah, and this is just an active growing community. As you can see, a lot of people are joining and I'm banning a lot of scammers. So yeah, I don't want to promote anymore. I've got snapshots for you if you are interested in signing up with my link, and you basically can plug and play these snapshots and sell it to local businesses. You don't even have to build out any new systems, because you get it. So yeah,